How to use Amazon outlet section feature. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can use Amazon outlet section feature. Well, you can find the Amazon outlet section by searching for Amazon outlet in the application easily. So open up Amazon application, head over to the search bar, and you want to search in Amazon outlet. So once you search it this way, search in the spelling is mistake, make sure not to do that. OUTLET. Once you type in, simply search for it and an Amazon outlet page should pop up right here. So you can also visit the Amazon website menu under programs and feature. It is a clearance hub for brand new overstock and accessories. Now I'm having some issues to here, but you should be able to load it out. Items are brand new, unlike Amazon resale, with sales, used or open box goods. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.